Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, hello everyone. Would you like to turn on your camera, please?
Ngomong apa itu?
Ngomong apa? Would you like to turn on your camera, please? Minta tolong dihidupkan kameranya dulu.
Oke.
Semuanya.
Bintang.
Okay. Thank you very much. Why we need to turn on our camera? Because it is the first time for us, right? Yang diinginkan pastinya kan pertemuan kan sebenarnya kan. Oke ya. At least if we cannot meet directly in a classroom, so we can meet on our Zoom class for today. Okay, so that's why I need to ask you to turn on your camera, all of you. Dafa, okay. Yuni, can you turn on your camera, please? Yeah, Yuni Indriani, can you? Okay, maybe she cannot listen to me. Well, today is our first session, right? Okay. So we will use our time for introductions, introduce one another, of course, and then I will explain to you about the rules or how we run our class in this semester. Saya juga akan menjelaskan, kalau bisa juga mendiskusikan, bukan hanya menjelaskan tentang apa yang akan kita lakukan dalam perkuliahan di bahasa Inggris 1 ini. Is it right that it is bahasa Inggris 1? Benar ya? Okay. Based on our schedule, it is bahasa Inggris 1. So, as I said before that we will use this time for introduction one another. So you need to know me and I need to know you. So we will start and then continue our material well because we know one another. And then I swear that everything we do, every activity could be communicated through our online learning, e-learning, or WhatsApp. That I know that one of you have made the WhatsApp group for us, right? Kita sudah ada WhatsApp group ya. Jadi semuanya nanti bisa kita komunikasikan via WhatsApp dan juga via e-learning. If you could access your e-learning, so you could find my contact number right there. I have post my phone number, WhatsApp number, my Instagrams, and then my email, so you could contact me every time you need to contact me. Okay, everything could be confirmed to me. Gitu ya, apapun bisa dikomunikasikan, kayak itu nanti bagaimana. Why? Because during the lessons we will find some problem, of course. Bisa jadi nanti ada beberapa permasalahan yang kita hadapi ketika kita memulai perkuliahan, selama perkuliahan. Nah, kalau ada permasalahan yang dihadapi, you have some problem, please contact me. Ya, you could inform me, bisa dikonsultasikan ke saya apapun permasalahan yang dihadapi nantinya. Misalnya nih, because it is online learning, so you couldn't access the class, so you could contact me. Bisa, kalau memang internetnya tahu-tahu menghilang, misalnya kayak itu, bisa via telepon atau SMS, entah masih menggunakan SMS atau tidak, nanti kaliannya paling tidak ada cara-cara lain yang bisa dilakukan kayak itu. For example, if you cannot do your assignment because of some other problem, so you could contact me. Okay, is it clear enough about that? So everything could be discussed by us. Apapun permasalahan yang kalian hadapi nanti bisa didiskusikan. For example, right now if I check our e-learning, I found only 5 students in the class, right? Okay, memang beberapa juga sudah confirm ke saya, hanya masih ada beberapa mahasiswa, only 5 if I'm not mistaken, or 6, 5 atau 6 kayak itu yang sudah masuk ke learning because of some other problem. For example, one of the problem is you haven't pay your SPP because of KIP, for example, ada beberapa yang KIP karena itu harus diakses, harus dilakukan oleh universitas dan itu belum dilakukan, maka bisa join di grup, nanti bisa masuk. Atau memang mungkin bukan karena beasiswa atau memang kalian memang belum melaksanakannya, untuk sementara ini boleh join dulu ke grup dan akses tugas-tugasnya dari grup. Seperti itu. Kalau ada Zoom juga bisa dari grup. Oke, itu salah satu permasalahan yang mungkin dihadapi oleh mahasiswa, dan itu yang saya bilang tadi bisa didiskusikan, bisa ada jalan lainnya kayak itu. Jadi walaupun belum melakukan registrasi misalnya kayak itu, tetap bisa akses kelasnya melalui WhatsApp group daripada nanti ketinggalan. Untuk saya tidak apa-apa, kalau untuk dosen lain saya tidak tahu. For me that's okay. Tetapi nanti bisa disusulkan kayak itu registrasinya. Okay. So you could inform to your other friends about that problem. Okay, as I said that we will use our time just to know one another, untuk tahu satu sama lain, and then I have introduced you using English today. Saya juga sudah mulai membuka kelasnya menggunakan bahasa Inggris because it is English class, right? Karena ini kelasnya kelas bahasa Inggris, maka saya juga bukanya pakai bahasa Inggris kayak itu. Jadi we could try to use English in our classroom. So today I will introduce myself, and I want to ask you to introduce yourself one by one using English, of course, menggunakan bahasa Inggris pastinya. Saya juga mau pengen kalian nanti juga memperkenalkan diri masing-masing harus ngomong. Gitu. Let me call the other to turn on the camera. Elite Book, I don't know who are you. Yeah, you have turned on your ya. Ada juga itu namanya memang Elite Book ya. Yuni tadi juga belum hidup. M. Raffi Wahyudi and Agustina, please turn on your camera. Semuanya minta tolong dihidupkan dulu kameranya. Oke, sambil menghidupkan kameranya, sambil menggunakan nama jelasnya biar nanti tertulis namanya apa kayak itu ya, biar jelas, karena ini juga saya record. Nanti juga akan di-post ke YouTube channel saya. So I want you to comment that you have access on our Zoom to my YouTube channel too after this. Seperti yang kalau sudah akses e-learning, saya juga meminta kalian untuk akses di YouTube nanti ya. Saya juga meminta izin untuk memposting di YouTube channel saya juga untuk perkuliahan ini. Okay, everyone have turned on the camera. Good, thank you very much about that. Okay, before I ask you to introduce yourself, let me introduce my name first. On my e-learning, I have write my name, my data. My name is Ferry Kurniawan. You could write there on our camera. Ya, itu dia. Di kamera saya juga ada namanya. My name is Ferry Kurniawan. I teach English. That's why I come to your class right now today for our English class. I graduated from PGRI University. Saya lulusan dari PGRI. My bachelor degree was in 2008. Saya lulus S1-nya itu di tahun 2008, and my master was in 2011. Kalau masternya, S2-nya itu saya lulusnya di tahun 2011. I start to teach in Bina Dharma University since 2015. Mulai pindah ke Bina Dharma itu sejak tahun 2015 until right now. Besides of teaching English in general English like this, selain mengajar bahasa Inggris di kelas bahasa Inggris umum seperti ini, I teach in English literature. Saya juga mengajarnya di sastra Inggris. And then beside of teaching, I'm as one of staff for Bina Dharma University, and I'm as public relations. Saya juga selain mengajar, saya juga sebagai humas di Universitas Bina Dharma. Well, that's all about me. So after this, I will ask you to introduce yourself. But before that, I will explain shortly about how we manage our class. Saya juga akan menjelaskan sedikit tentang bagaimana cara kita mengatur kelas kita. So, on your schedule, we have 2 classes. Di jadwal kalian nanti kalian mendapatkan 2 kelas dan rasanya sudah di-post juga di grup, ada 2 kelas. Oh, they are, the first is general English, satunya itu general English, bahasa Inggris umum. The second is English for specific purposes, bahasa Inggris khusus deh secara singkatnya. Well, wait, some of your friend asking about the link. Okay. As I said that we have bahasa Inggris 1 and bahasa Inggris 2. General English and English for specific purpose. Itu ya tadi yang saya sampaikan. Ada 2 itu. And general English will take 1 time in a week, and then English for specific purpose will be 1 time in a week. Juga 1 kali 1 minggu. Gitu. Masing-masing 1 kali 1 minggu. Why we have divided into 2? Because kenapa dibagi menjadi 2? Karena memang ada 2 seperti tadi. Because that 2 kinds of English have different purpose. Tujuannya juga beda-beda. Apa saja tujuannya itu tadi? Yang pertama, general English. General English means that English in general. General English itu adalah bahasa Inggris secara umum. So we will discuss about English in general, about how to make a sentence, how to differentiate a word, bagaimana cara membuat kalimat, membeda-bedakan jenis-jenis kata, ada kata kerja, kata sifat, kata benda, dan lain-lain. Itu adanya di general English. Nah, yang lainnya itu di English for specific purpose, itu yang di aplikasinya, di applicationsnya, pengaplikasiannya, penggunaannya. Itu digunakan dalam jurusannya masing-masing. It will differentiate differentiate to your major, differentiate by your major. So when your major is computer, so we will discuss about computer in English. When your major is about academic, we will discuss about academic in English and so forth. Gitu. Semuanya akan tergantung dengan jurusan kalian masing-masing. But I don't know exactly about this class because actually we still have some student, right? And then I don't know exactly about the major that you have. Jurusannya masing-masing pun juga masih belum bisa dipastikan because some of you have registered yet. So if we have one major only, so we will discuss focusing English for specific purpose-nya, focusing on your major. And if you are from the different major, so I'm so sorry, we will find or we will choose one major only. Kalau memang nanti tergabung dari berbagai jurusan, nanti akan kita pilih saja deh spesifiknya seperti apa. But the focus is about speaking. The application of English is that the applications of language that we learn. Gitu. Kita fokusnya ke tentang penerapan bagaimana menggunakan bahasa itu sendiri. Makanya bentuknya nanti akan speaking. Gitu. Kalau memang nanti semuanya itu beda-beda jurusannya nantinya. So we will maybe at least next week we could divide it for ISP what will be discussed by us. Mungkin minggu depan deh baru kita akan pastikan di ISP-nya nanti kita akan bahas tentang apanya. Tergantung nanti kalian memang berbagai macam jurusan atau tidak. So for this week I will accept all student that get bahasa Inggris 1 for all vocational school. Untuk vokasi saya masih terima seluruhnya yang memang masih kemungkinan di kelas saya persilahkan masuk walaupun belum tentu nanti masuknya di mana. Jadi mungkin akan terlalu banyak atau memang benar real yang seperti ini. Kalau real seperti ini memang nanti akan ditentukan. Kayak itu. So those are the differentiation. Itu yang akan menjadi pembedanya antara general English dengan English for specific purposes nantinya. Kayak itu ya. What else? So do you have question about this, about the differentiation between English for specific purpose and general English? Ada yang mau tanyakan dulu nggak sih? You could turn on your voice by yourself if you have some questions. Before, as I said before, that I will ask you to introduce yourself as well. I explained to you before. I have introduced myself, and then I will ask you to introduce yourself after this. I will call your name one by one. And then please, for you that just join, please turn on your camera. Untuk yang baru join, saya persilahkan untuk mengaktifkan kameranya. Because it is the first time for us, so I have to know you, and you know me, right? So I have to know you too. Biar tahu satu sama lain siapa-siapa yang ada di sini, kameranya tolong diaktifkan. Okay, no question about the differentiation between English for specific purpose and then general English. Tentang general English dengan ISP-nya, apakah ada yang ditanyakan dulu tentang pembedanya? Kalau tadi saya bilang pembedanya adalah kalau bahasa Inggris general English itu kita akan membahas tentang bahasanya, perbedaan katanya, bagaimana cara membuat kalimat, tenses. Kalau kalian masih ingat grammar, dulu belajar di sekolah tentang grammar, kita akan belajar grammar itu, tense itu, simple present tense, past tense itu di general English, dan yang ESP-nya English for specific purposes-nya itu yang bentuknya speaking nantinya. Oke. Ada yang mau tanyakan? Tidak ada. Okay. As usual, we have no question. Biasa, tidak ada pertanyaan memang. Possibly, we will use e-learning a lot. Maybe it's not in the real time. Ya, bisa jadi nanti tidak akan di real time. Misalnya jadwalnya di hari Selasa, bukan berarti pasti di hari Selasa. Misalnya kayak itu bisa jadi sebelumnya atau setelahnya. Kalau sebelumnya sih jarang, biasanya setelahnya saya post tugas-tugasnya via e-learning. Jadi e-learning will be easier and then available for us, I think, dibandingkan kalau Zoom seperti ini kadang-kadang juga waktunya tidak available. But we'll try hard to do both e-learning and then Zoom meeting. Tidak ada ya? So maybe it's time for me to listen to you speaking English. Saya bilang tadi, setelah sesi saya yang memperkenalkan diri, saya akan meminta kalian yang memperkenalkan diri. Use English of course as well as you can. Sebaik mungkin yang bisa kalian lakukan, dipersilahkan untuk menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya. So the first time I will ask Dayang Dayi. Introduce yourself, please. Tell me about your personal data, tentang data diri kalian masing-masing, terserah apapun itu. Bisa jadi jelaskan juga alumni dari mana, asalnya dari mana itu. And then you could add with your GPA. Kalau memang memerlukan untuk menjelaskan tentang GPA tahu nggak sih? GPA tulisannya dalam bahasa Inggris, GPA itu artinya IPK. Bisa juga disampaikan juga informasinya IPK semester 1 kemarin itu apa. Oke? Time is yours, Dayang Dayi. Ya.
Hello, sir. Hello, my name is Dayang Dayi. I'm from Senior High School number 1 Lubuk Linggau. I live at Lubuk Linggau.
So you are in Lubuk Linggau right now?
Yes.
Oh, good. So is it nice for you to get online learning so you don't need to go to Palembang and just stay in Lubuk Linggau or not? What do you think about that?
Yes, I stay in Lubuk Linggau. I don't Palembang now.
So is it good for you, or it is better to come to Palembang for you to get your class? Or it is good that you just stay in Lubuk Linggau and then getting your class right there?
repeat, sir.
Okay, is it good for you that you just stay in Lubuk Linggau, you don't need to go to Palembang to get your class, or better to go to Palembang for you? Apakah bagus, apakah oke, baik-baik saja, atau bagaimana menurut kamu kalau sekarang belajarnya tetap di Lubuk Linggau, tidak perlu ke Palembang, atau sebaiknya menurut kamu? Only just opinion, short opinion.
Is good. What ya?
Okay, so is it good? It is good, just stay in Lubuk Linggau.
It's
Oh,
good.
good.
Yes.
Okay.
Stay in
Thank
Lubuk
you.
Linggau. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Next, let we go to Aprilia Ganta. Yeah.
Halo,
Hello. Yeah.
my name is Aprilia Ganta.
Yeah.
NIM 20121008.
Okay. Okay. And then, your major, please. Jurusan apa?
Palembang.
Hello.
Address Jalan Lieutenant Murad, Lorong Akasia.
Okay. So one same question. Is it good for you to go to Palembang, or to go to campus, or just doing online learning? Yeah. What do you think about online learning right now? Okay. Thank you, Aprilia Ganta. Well, now let we go to Siti Esa Azahra. Time is yours.
Hello, my name is Siti Esa Azahra. You can call me Esa. I'm 18 years old. I live at Alangkranga Street in Palembang City. I'm from vocational high school number 3 in Palembang. I like watching movies and listening to music. Maybe it's all about me.
Well, okay. So, where do you live right now? Do you stay in Palembang?
Yes.
Oh, you stay in Palembang. So, what do you think about online learning that we apply right now? Is it good you just stay at home and then doing our activity at home, since we are in the pandemic right now, or for you it's better to go to campus?
I prefer to online learning because I have so much time for my family.
Well, good. Thank you very much, Siti Esa Azahra.
Thank you.
Now let we go to Nadia Sariska, yeah?
Rasika.
Rasika, oh good. Nadia Rasika. Okay, time is yours.
Okay. My name is Nadia. My name is Nadia Rasika. I'm from Senior High School number 2 in Prabumuli, but now I live in Morenim, but I born in Palembang.
Okay. So what major are you?
Palembang.
What major are you?
Oh.
Jurusan.
Now I'm 18 years old.
Jurusan, major. Jurusan.
Informatika.
Manajemen informatika. Computer. Okay. Good. So, what do you think about online learning? It is better to go to campus or just stay at home to doing online learning, since we are in pandemic right now?
I don't know, but I think sometimes I think it's better if we go to campus, but sometimes I think e-learning is more fun.
Okay, actually, you are really want to go to campus, but we are in a pandemic, and then
Yes.
it is fine to get in home only. Okay,
Yes.
good. Thank you, Nadia. Now let we go to Ahmad Muzakir. Time is yours.
Hello, sir. My name is Zakir Mahendra.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Ahmad Muzakir. Could
Hello.
you turn off your music, please? I don't know.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay. Okay.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Zakir Mahendra. You can call me Zakir. I'm from Vocational High School 2, Palembang. I address my address Jalan Sultan Muhammad Mansur, Palembang. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. What about your major, please? Jurusannya apa?
Manajemen Informatika, sir.
Oh, Management Informatika, Computer Science.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, what do you think about the learning style right now during the pandemic? So, is it good for you just stay at home and then doing our class, or it is better to come to campus with some of this that will possible come to us? So, what do you think about that thing?
Apa ya?
Yeah. So
I don't know.
better to stay home or go to campus right now for you during the pandemic. Just your opinion. Bagaimana baiknya? Kalau menurut kamu sudah lebih baikkah memang benar kita stay home belajar dari rumah, atau memang tidak apa-apa datang ke kampus selama pandemi ini? Menurut kamu hanya short opinion.
Speak English, sir.
Yeah, just trying to speak English. That's okay.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ahmad
I'm sorry.
Muzakir. Yeah. Now let we go to Nabila Eli Banowati.
Hello, my name is Nabila Eli Banowati. You can call me Nabila. I'm from Senior School 7 Palembang.
Okay. So what about your major?
Management
Jurusan apa?
Informatika.
Management Informatika. Okay, same major with some others right there. Okay, thank you. So what do you think about learning style during the pandemic right now? So is it okay for you just stay home and then getting our class from home, or better to come to campus but we'll get a pandemic right now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Just your opinion. Better to go to the school, to campus during the pandemic, or stay home, stay safe at home, and then getting our class by using online learning? What do you think about that thing? Okay, thank you, Nadia Ali Badawati. Well, now what we go to the next one, Cindy Erosa. Yeah, time is yours.
Hello. Hello, I'm Cindy Erosa Bersama. Please call me Cindy. I come from Senior High School number 2 Pramuli. I live in Muara Enim. I'm 19 years old. Okay, I think that's all.
Okay, so you stay in Muara Enim means that you are not in Palembang right now, right? And then many students, when they going to the college, they really want to go to Palembang and then getting flat house, stay alone at home, and then going to campus, right? So for you, better to stay home, to stay in Muara Enim and then or go to Palembang and then get your class in campus? What do you think about that thing? Kalau kamu bagaimana?
I think now it's better to stay at home because coronavirus is still in Indonesia. Maybe the coronavirus is end, we will study in campus.
Well, good. Thank you, Cindy and Rosa. So you still believe that it is stay safe to stay at home right now. Thank you very much. Now let me go to the next one. Triwidya Astuti. Time is yours.
Okay, my name is Triwidya Astuti. My name is Triwidya Astuti. I'm 19 years old. I was born in Palembang, September 29, 2002. I live with my family. There are my parents and two brothers. My majors is Manajemen Informatika. Maybe it's enough.
Well, thank you, Tri. So
Yes.
the same question with your friends before. So is it go to stay at home, stay safe at home during the pandemic and getting your class from home, or going to campus for you? So what do you think?
Saya pribadi ya.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, for me, I prefer to going to campus, but for family, keep all people in my circle.
Mm-hmm.
I prefer in stay at home.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Actually, you really want to go to campus, but you prepare to just to make your circle safe and then stay at home. Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm to stay at home because.
Okay. Now let we go to Feby Eka Citrasari. Time is yours.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Feby Eka Citrasari. You can call me Feby. My hobby is playing badminton. Address Street VDAM. I'm from Bali.
Well, good, Feby. So the same question I'm asking about your opinion about the pandemic that happened right now. So do you prepare to stay home, learning from home, study from home, or yeah, that's okay for you to go to campus and then getting your class from campus? What do you think about that thing?
Stay at home. I'm to stay at home because to keep my to keep my people untuk menjaga keamanan itu apa? Sudah sore itu, Be.
Okay, thank you, Feby. You have tried a lot. Thank you, that's a good job. Now let we go to Inayah Ramadina Siregar. Is it right, Siregar? Yeah, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Inayah Ramadina Siregar. I 19 years old. I was born in Palembang at 20th of November 2001. I from senior high school number 7 Palembang. I'm informatics management.
Okay,
I live
thank you.
at Palembang.
Okay, you live in Palembang, right? So it is close enough to go to campus, right? So what do you think about the pandemic right now? So do you still really want to go into campus with some diseases that we possibly will come to us, or do you prefer just stay at home, study from home?
I think I like stay at home than go to campus because I'm comfortable with online class.
Oh, good. Comfort with online class, just stay safe at home. Thank you very much, Inaya. Now let we go to Siti Esa. We have M. Lutfi Fauzan. Siti Esa tadi sudah ya?
Sudah, Sir.
Now M. Lutfi Fauzan.
Yes, sir. Hello, my name is M. Lutfi Fauzan. I'm from Palembang. I am an alumni from Senior High School Tanjung Priok, Jakarta. My hobby is playing badminton. I'm
Okay. Continue.
Mungkin segitu aja, sir.
Okay. So do you stay at Palembang right now? Do you stay in Palembang right now?
Iya, bahasa.
Kamu di Palembang sekarang?
Yes.
Okay, you stay in Palembang right now. So do you prepare to study
Yes,
at home, stay at home, or
Yes, sir.
doing some online activity? Hello, Lutfi. Do you prefer to stay at home, study work from home, or going to campus?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Lutfi. Now let me go to Dirut Saputra. Now it's your turn.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, dear legislator and LA friends.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Dirut Saputra. I from Blit, Palembang, Kertabati.
Okay.
Myers,
Thank
Myers, Manajemen Informatika.
Okay. Yeah, you are from management informatica class too. So what do you think about online learning right now during the pandemic? Is it better to stay home and then study from home, or do you still want to go to campus to get your class?
I think about and because very distracted.
Okay. Thank you, Dirut Saputra. Now let me go
Yes.
to Aldo Pratama.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aldo Pratama. I was born in Palembang. I live in Puncak Kuning Street. I'm an alumni at senior high school 10 in Palembang.
Okay. Okay. The same question, Aldo. So do you prepare stay at home during the pandemic, study from home, or going to campus to get your class in campus?
I think we better stay at home because pandemic is so scary for me.
Okay.
But I hope. But I hope pandemic is end actually.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope so. I hope so. So everything will be end, and then we can doing our normal activity, right? As a
Yes, sir.
normal, I mean, doing our activity as a normal.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Good, Aldo. Thank you. Yeah. Now let we go to Yuni Indriani. Yeah. Yuni Indriani, is your turn. Hello, Yuni. Can you listen to me? Okay. Okay. Well, Yuni, there's some noises right there, so maybe we will continue with the next. After that, we will go back to you. Okay. Now, let we go to Ahmad Agung Al-Fikri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Agung Al-Fikri. I come from Pagar Alam. I'm now Palembang. I'm from senior school Taman Siswa Pagar Alam. My hobby is futsal. Dasar.
Okay. Thank you, Ahmad Agung Al-Fikri. So do you stay in Pagaram right now?
I think it's okay to come to campus.
Oh, okay. You answer my question directly. So you choose to go to campus. That's okay. Good. Thank you. Now let we go to Dafa Al-Faris. Can you hear me, Dafa?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to turn on your camera, Dafa Al-Faris? Can you turn on your camera, please?
All right.
Okay, good. Your turn.
Okay, I want to let you introduce myself. My name is Dafa Alfaris. I'm from Batu Raja. My last school is Senior High School number 4, Ogan Komering Ulu. Don, sir.
Okay. You are from Ogan Komering Ulu, so you stay at Ogan Komering Ulu right now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So is it okay for you just stay at Oku right now and then study from there? And or you prepare to go to campus, to go to Palembang?
What, sir?
So what do you think about just study from home, from Oku right now, or it is better for you to go to Palembang and then getting your class from campus?
I think we better we go to campus, learn in campus.
Okay. It is better to go to campus for you. Thank you, Dafa Alfa.
Yes, sir.
Now, let we go to Ahmad Muzakir. Hello, Ahmad Muzakir, can you hear me? Can you listen to me? Okay, he's not with us right now. How about Agustina? Hello, Agustina, can you listen to me right now? Okay, no. What about Yuni Indriani? Can you listen to me right now, Yuni? Still cannot contact us. What about Willy Pratama? Can you listen to me clearly right now, Willy Pratama? What about Rabiatu Adawiyah? Yeah, you can listen to me right now, Rabiatu Adawiyah. Yeah, your well, I'm so sorry, Rabiatu Adawiyah, I cannot listen to you. Your voice, please. Actually, your microphone is on right now, but no voice here. Nggak kedengeran suaranya. Still no voice. I cannot hear you. Okay. Maybe we go to the next. Maybe M. Rafi Wahyudi. Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Well, good voice. Yeah.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Rafi Wahyudi. I'm from Senior High School 2020 Palembang. And my hobby is playing football or playing futsal. My address in Komplek Gria Hero Abadi, Block KK number 10. And my major is information management. Thank you, sir.
Well, thank you, M. Rafi. So, could you share about your opinion during the pandemic right now? Do you prepare still stay at home right now, or do you really want to go into campus? It's okay to go to campus and then getting your class in campus.
I think we will better in stay at home because in coronavirus and itu sir.
Well, thank you, M. Rafi. Then let me go to the next one, Bintang Adi. Yeah, your turn. Hello, Bintang, can you listen to me?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Your volumenya dikecilkan.
Oke. Hello smart people, mantap kau. My name is Bintang Adi Dharma Pala, sir. My name in English language is Star. I was born in Tangerang, 5 May 2001. I come from Earth. I cannot from other planets. And I graduate from SMK 2 Pembina Palembang. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Maybe clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Bintang. You said that you are not from the other planet, but your name is like that you are from the other planet. It's not from the Earth. Okay, let me check. The other have introduced themselves. We still waiting for Rabiatul Adawiyah. Can you get your good voice right now, Rabiatul Adawiyah? Okay, that's okay. Maybe Rabiatul Adawiyah get a bad connection right now. Maybe it happened to some other student too, because we have a lot of student before, and then right now we lose them, but that's okay. That's the weaknesses of online learning like this. Itu salah satu kelemahan dari online learning seperti ini. Maybe someone will get bad connections. Maybe someone get the other business. It different with when we have get a class, right? So every business, semua urusan yang lain maksudnya will be stopped when we get class, right? When we going to the campus, but by using online like this, maybe some other will get different activity. Yeah, that's okay. That's why for our class, maybe not in every meeting we will get our Zoom meeting. Mungkin tidak setiap pertemuan kita harus Zoom meeting, karena mungkin nanti kalau di rumah itu ada urusan-urusan yang lain kadang-kadang yang harus diikuti juga. Some of your family needs your help because you will stay at home only, and then they asking you to going to some places or doing some other activity. It is possible happen. And then connections, we cannot complaining about the connection actually. Masalah koneksi juga kita tidak bisa komplain lagi kayak itu ya. So what thing we can get, what thing that we can do is e-learning is the solution. Salah satunya adalah e-learning. Solusinya adalah dengan menggunakan penugasan yang seperti itu. And then lastly, I would like to inform you again that our activity will based on the e-learning or Zoom meeting like this, but everything could be communicated through our WhatsApp group. Nanti yang lain-lainnya juga bisa kita komunikasikan di WhatsApp group. So everything happen to you, every problem that happen to you, for example, when we get our Zoom meeting and then you lose your connections. Misalnya kalau kita lagi Zoom meeting seperti ini, tahu-tahu hilang koneksi atau apa, you could inform to our group, our WhatsApp group. Bisa diinform juga ke WhatsApp group kita seperti itu ya. Oke. 1 hour. Ya, sudah 1 jam, mungkin nanti ya kadang-kadang juga yang dikeluhkan adalah ya internet access, right? Kalau makin lama kuotanya juga makin banyak, saya juga harus mengerti tentang hal itu. So I think that's all for today for our meeting. Sudah 1 jam, sudah cukup juga. At least that we have know one another. So for the other meeting, for other things, we could discuss through our WhatsApp group, or just check your e-learning, because I will post the material, the assignment that you have to do from our e-learning. And then after this, please check your e-learning, because I have post some of material right there. For example, the thing that I have post to you is RPS, rencana pembelajaran semester. So it is the list of the material that will be discussed by us. Itu daftar-daftar materi-materi yang akan kita bahas dalam semester ini. Silahkan dicek di WhatsApp di e-learningnya. And then I have post some of discussion forumnya juga saya post. Jadi so you need to reply or comment to our e-learning ya, forum in e-learning. And then I will post this Zoom meeting video through my YouTube channel. Nanti Zoom meeting ini juga saya akan post di YouTube channel saya. Nanti you need to comment on your on the comment box from my YouTube channel too. So I will
Yes, sir.
post to your group too about my YouTube channel, or just through the e-learning. I have posted about my YouTube channel too, so just check my YouTube channel, subscribe, and then commenting on the column komentar on my YouTube channel on the video that you could check how do you introduce yourself. Kalian juga nanti bisa cek sendiri video bagaimana kalian yang sudah memperkenalkan diri tadinya. So I hope by checking the video, you could do better introduction for the next. Biar nanti kalau sudah melihat video, nanti kalian juga bisa assess, oh saya sudah bagus atau belum, nanti bisa sambil dipelajari lagi, biar nantinya ketika diminta untuk memperkenalkan diri lagi, juga akan menjadi lebih baik. Okay? Well, thank you. Well, thank you very much for you to have joined this Zoom meeting. Sudah join hari ini, terima kasih banyak sudah join. So hope to see you again for the other Zoom meeting. Nanti harapan juga kita akan ketemu lagi di Zoom meeting yang selanjutnya. Dan juga jangan lupa tadi comment on your forum, comment on YouTube channel, and then I give you assignment too about introductions on our e-learning. Di e-learning itu juga sudah ada tugas tentang introduction, tentang pengenalan diri, juga bisa dilakukan oleh kalian. Baik ya. Terima kasih banyak. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Yusuf Simatupang, baru masuk lagi.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for today. See you.
See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see you.
Oke, Bang.